next part of this video series is talking about Angie's List, Home Advisor, basically all these aggregate websites that get people leads. I'm going to try to get through this video without us getting sued. That's my goal. And also teach you as much as I can. Okay, look, Angie's List, Home Advisor. Basically, guys, if you are just really confused with all this digital marketing stuff and you just have a really low budget and you're just wanting to get some leads in from the internet, I'm not here to sit there and tell you don't use Angie's List or Home Advisor. Other contractors have had a lot of success with them. I don't feel like it's the best way for you to make money long term. I really feel like if you make an investment in your digital marketing now and you put your profits in that and you wait on your traditional marketing to catch up years down the road after your digital marketing and you stay away from Angie's List and Home Advisor, I feel like that is the best use of your money long term. I feel like building your own online presence where people can find your specific company when they Google you is the best way for you to make money long term for your company. And then also, if you plan on selling one day, that is going to be a massive asset on you being able to sell to other people. With that said, if you really want to stay away from doing this yourself and you want a cheaper way to get leads in right away, Angie's List and Home Advisor, and I think there's House, there's probably some other ones out there now. If they're trying to sell you some type of lead services, make sure it's legit. Make sure that they have, if it's not one of the big 3 or 4, make sure they have clients. See if they'll give you other people's name that's used them in the past with success. Get information before you pay anyone. Again, guys, basically the way these companies work, Home Advisor, Angie's List, is you sign up and they're going to list your company on their website. And then a lot of times they're going to sell to people. People are Googling roofing companies and, think of a new city, Des Moines, Iowa. And they Google that area and then they go to Home Advisor and they say, oh, I need a new roof. And then Home Advisor will give them a few contractors to call, and then the few contractors, like 3, will call and you get charged from that lead and one of you is going to get the job. It's basically how they work. But those websites rank really high on Google, so they get a lot of traffic. Now, again, some contractors get a lot of work from that. And again, I just recommend doing a Google search, doing your due diligence, watch some YouTube videos. There are some very outspoken people in the roofing industry that will tell you stay as far away from Home Advisor and Angie's List as humanly possible. I'm going to tell you, you're a grown up, you're starting your own business, you can make your own decisions. I recommend investing in yourself, in your domain, in your website, in your SEO, in your pay-per-click, in your social media. All that stuff is where I recommend you putting your money. But if you want to stay away from it and give it a shot, be my guest. Just understand that it may not be the best investment for your company long term. You may or may not get any quality leads out of it. And if you don't, then you can always switch gears and go to what I'm telling you to do with your own digital marketing. But you're grown up, you're going to make your best decisions, you're going to live with the consequences, and maybe you have some great success with it. So again, I don't want to spend this whole video demonizing these other companies because that's not what we do here. We're going to allow you to make your best decisions. I'm just going to give you my advice on what I would do.